Hello and welcome. We're going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use the thumbprint lock from ThumbprintLOCK.com, and let's first start off with an invalid fingerprint and attempt to try to open this up with incorrect prints that have been added to this device. So we'll zoom in a little here so you could see. Shut some lights off so you could further see the lighting. And we'll go ahead and first try our middle finger. You'll notice a red light blinking once, letting me know that is invalid. That is invalid. Now we're going to use an appropriate finger, my index finger here. It just blinked green and then red a few times, and it unlocked, and I heard it unlock. Now, to explain why is it blinking green and then red twice. This particular unit actually has a very weak battery. Intentionally for this video, we wanted to show how to indicate to yourselves when it's time to charge the unit. So when you're unlocking the device, you'll see with an authorized finger, you will see, authorized meaning one that you have added, prints that you have added to the device, you'll see it blink green, letting you know, hey, that is an approved fingerprint, and I'm going to unlock. And by the way, these other two lights mean red, that mean that the battery is dead, or weak rather. So it's letting you know on the next time you open, hey, you might want to charge it before you continue using this thing. It tells you several months in advance. The batteries on a full charge will last you a little over a year. It'll tell you a few months in advance when the battery is getting low. So it would behoove you to begin charging. And to charge, you got the little charging port down here. Looks like a little Android port. Okay, and go ahead and charge with like a wall plug. Plug it into, with a simple wall adapter and USB cable. Now, let's repeat this cycle. How do we, we're going to go ahead and push this in. When we push this in, it'll automatically lock. You'll hear it. And now it's in there. Okay, now I've got another finger. I've got two fingers encoded in this device. We're going to press with the master finger here, and it said no, invalid, because I have it at a wrong angle. Invalid. There we go. That's the proper angle. So it's very sensitive if you try to come in at a diagonal angle or an unusual angle, so I had to go dead on. And you can program this at a diagonal angle, however, whatever angle you initially recorded. But when I recorded this, I was directly straight on the thumb pad. So it has unlocked, and that's again how you unlock it. Push this in, you'll hear it enable and lock. And again, invalid fingerprints would be just red. Okay, now say you want to add more fingerprints. So I've already got two added, or just say you want to add your very first fingerprint. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to add, say, my middle finger in this case, since I have two fingerprints already added. Go ahead and press and hold with your administrator finger, which that would be my thumb. And I unlocked it. Let me lock it again. You got to press and hold for a few seconds. Keep holding, and you will see a blue light at some point here. There we go. Now that is indicating, okay, it is waiting for additional fingerprints. So we're going to try our middle finger here, and it said invalid. Actually, it is waiting for the master fingerprint, so we're going to do our thumb again. Now the light's solid, so the reason I did it that way is to show you that you got to make sure that blue light is solid before you try to add your fingerprint. Oh, and that's another issue. If you don't do it in a certain amount of time, it gets out of the menu for security reasons, so that your friend can't add his fingerprint or something else if you've left it on your desk and forgot. So I'll go back. Let's do this over. Press and hold with the authorized admin thumbprint or fingerprint. Got the blue light back. Let's press again with our admin thumbprint. Now the light's solid. Let's quickly use our middle finger. You'll see it blink green. That's second time it blinks green. Third time. Fourth time. Fifth time. Now blinks green, stays solid, and configured. So it's reason it needs 5 fingerprints is it's measuring each angle that you come in at with your finger, so that it knows who you are. So it needs 5 prints to draw out your fingerprint 3-dimensionally in the device. So now we're going to try and use an invalid finger, like my 4th finger here. You'll see it's red, it's not working, it's not letting me. Now my middle finger that I just programmed, boom, it unlocked. So I'll do that again. Use, let's say, my pinky finger. Try that again. Try that again. Nope, not working. Now the middle finger I just configured. Boom, unlocked. Okay, now I'm going to go back. You'll see that my thumb is still working. Okay. You'll see that my pointer finger is working. Okay. And you'll see my middle finger is working now. There we go. And that's how you set these up. So we hope that was helpful. Take care. Enjoy your day.